Do you work with athletes? Are you aware of the pressures athletes face and the corresponding incidence of eating disorders within the athletic community? Which sports and athletes are most at risk of developing an eating disorder or disordered eating? Hi, my name is Rachel Scriven, and I am presenting this course for Megabite on eating disorders amongst athletes. In this course, I will discuss the different classifications for eating disorders and disordered eating. I outline the specific sports which have been identified as having at-risk athletes and the athlete demographics with a higher risk of developing an eating disorder. I have over 20 years experience working in sports nutrition and 35 years as an athlete, and I've personally seen many competitive athletes who have an eating disorder or show signs of disordered eating. As a practitioner, it is important to understand your role and capabilities to properly care for these athletes. This course is approved by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics as 2 CPEU hours at level 3. As with all Megabite courses, you get an online multiple choice questionnaire to test your knowledge before and after, a self-study reflection form, and a certificate of completion to add to your professional learning portfolio. This is a great course for those of you who work with athletes who are in at-risk sports, or if you want to learn more about eating disorders amongst athletes and what you can do. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link to get started now.